So this is another package that I recently received from Flipkart. So I bought a heart toning resistant band, which is a gym instrument again. And as I love gymming, so I have also created a nice home gym, because as you all guys know that during this pandemic we are unable to go out or get anybody inside, so we have to do everything by ourselves. So let's open it and see what Flipkart has given us. So here you see the packaging. It comes with a pack over the box. So this is what I was talking about. You can see the box. So this is KUKA 2 Make a Move toning tube, foaming padded handles for comfort, extra heavy tension and weight handle, tone and form up your arm, leg and chest. So here it is also written that there are 3 types, I guess, inside. Let's see what there is inside. So guys, I got this for only 250 rupees. I'll share the link below. If you want, you can buy it for yourself. Yeah, so this is again of green color, which I like. This is completely for grip, and the green part which you can see is rubber, completely of rubber, and this kind of thing is used in gyms for toning up muscles and growing muscles. Also it is used in abs workout and arm workout. Just see, this is nice grip, and this is really resistant to any kind of stress. Okay, and this is used for abs workout, for arm workout, for belly workout, and also for other things as well. Now I'll show you. You can see there is this for grip, and here is the handle, and also in the next other side there is same such thing. So I'll also show you the price, which is, I guess, inside the pack. If you don't, so here you guys can see the price. It's 284 rupees. It was actually of 300, but as I am a Flipkart Plus member, so I got it for 284 rupees. I can show it. I'll show you the link below. So see it again. Flipkart surprises me every time, so this time also I never expected that I'm going to get this from Flipkart. So anyway, see you next time. Bye.